The clipping mask is an option in which you can clip the images inside a particular shape. As you can see that there are certain designs in the flyer or the brochures in which the images are clipped inside a hexagon shape. The images are sometimes clipped inside a square or a rounded rectangle. These sort of thing. Okay, so let's quickly jump onto the tutorial. This is an example as how we can clip the image in a particular shape using the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so as you can see that I have just taken a sample flyer, and for let's suppose this is the shape that we have drawn and we want to clip the our image inside it. So what we need to do, just for the understanding, I am moving it here. So I have to clip my image inside this shape, and so this is my shape. First of all, you have to scale up or scale down the image so that the entire shape is covered with the provided image. You can use the opacity panel to see that where and how your image is going to look like. So I am satisfied with the scale up version of the image above this shape. So once you are satisfied, bring back the opacity to 100%, send this image to back, and select both shapes, right click and make clipping mask. As you can see that the shape that we have drawn, now the image is being clipped inside that particular shape, and now you can bring back that shape into its initial position and send it to back. We can delete this. So